Ever wondered if you can ditch Peachtree and bring all your precious data over to Sage 50? Let's find out. First off, it's important to know that Peachtree, now often referred to as Sage 50 Cloud Accounting, and Sage 50, while related, aren't exactly the same under the hood. This means a direct, seamless data transfer isn't always a given. A crucial step: check version compatibility. Some older versions of Peachtree might be completely incompatible with the latest Sage 50. Consult the official Sage documentation for version-specific compatibility information. Look for charts that clearly outline which versions play nice together. Assuming compatibility exists, you'll likely need to export your data from Peachtree. Typically, you'll be looking for options like exporting transaction data, customer lists, vendor lists, and chart of accounts. CSV files are a common export choice. Next, in Sage 50, locate the import function. You'll need to carefully map fields from your exported Peachtree file to the corresponding fields in Sage 50. This is where accuracy is key. Double-check that names, addresses, account numbers, and all other critical data points are mapped correctly. Be prepared for potential challenges. You might encounter data formatting issues, missing fields, or errors during the import process. Review the import logs carefully to identify and correct any problems. Remember that the data accuracy and financial security risks that might be at stake for complex transfers. Strongly consider consulting with a qualified Sage 50 consultant or accountant. They can provide expert guidance and assistance to ensure a smooth and accurate data migration. In short, importing from Peachtree to Sage 50 is possible but requires careful planning and execution. Always check compatibility, export data accurately, and don't hesitate to seek professional help.